How to download Cash App in Canada. This is a step-by-step tutorial. All that you have to do is just go to your Play Store. So when you are on your Play Store, all that you have to do is to simply search for Cash App. Okay, so let's search for Cash App. So just type in Cash App, and as you can see, Cash App is right here. Me, I have already installed it. That is why it is showing the update. But if you have not installed it, it will come for you to install, and then you just simply click on the install button, and then it will be installed. Okay, so this is as easy as ABC. So when you finish installing, all that you have to do is to just open the app. Okay, so let me open the app. But one thing that you have to know is that Cash App is currently not available in Canada, and then Play Store also takes into consideration your location. Okay, so you might not see the Cash App when you search for it from the Play Store. So what you have to do is that you have to switch your IP address to that of the UK or the United States. Okay, so if you want to know how to get a free VPN to do that, I'm having a link of a video in the video description. Just watch it and then know how to use the best VPN to switch your location to the UK, and then go and then search for the Cash App, and then it will come just like this one. Okay, and when you are able to install the Cash App, you'll be able to use it, and then you also have the option to refer it to other people to also use it, and then get $5 for each referral that you make. So when you look here, you can see it says invite and then get $5. Okay, so this is how to download the Cash App here in Canada.